Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today we're going to learn about flying geese. The method I'm using is using Bonnie Hunter's Essential Triangle tool. I use this if I don't have a die for my go cutter, and I can use all different sizes of strips. So this is what I'm using for my geese, and this is going to be my sky. I find that a lot of the flying geese that I do, I are making star points. So the quilt behind me is Twinkle. I'll put a link to that in the description, and it has just a solid center. This is my Braveheart. I'm making more of that. I'm making it for a baby that's going to be born, making a baby boy quilt. And our current scrap busting challenge is the scrap busting star. So if you know what size your corner is here, that's what size, with whatever stars you're going to do, if you know the corner, then that's what size you want your strips. That's just, if the instructions are given in a different way and you would still like to use the triangle tool, that is how you can tell what size strips you need. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Alright, let's get started. So for the geese part, I like to lay my strip as a single layer. I don't have it folded like when you cut fabric and the width you have a double fold. I like to keep it just a single. I will stack up to 5 actually. I like to do 5 because if I'm setting them aside, it's easy to count by 5s. Anyway, so we're going to line this up. This line down here is what the width of the strip is. And we're just going to cut it. We'll just cut it on both sides so that we have our geese part. When I'm cutting the sky part, I like to have it folded. So wrong sides together or right sides together. And I have it folded, and then we're going to line up our line here. Make sure we're even here. And we're going to cut. This gives me opposite where it's a flat top here, and then it will line up with your flat top up here, and you won't have the dog ears, and it just makes the geese go together more easily. So we're going to take our geese, or your quarter square, and put the half square or the sky on top, and just line it up so it all fits evenly there. Alright, see how that all works? And we're going to sew it. And then we're just going to set the seam and then pull it back and press it in place. Then we're going to take the other sky side and we're just going to line it up. See how this doesn't have any dog ears? It's really easy to line up. I really like that about this tool. And then we're just going to sew it. Then we're going to take it to the ironing board again. We're going to set that seam and then press it in place. And that's how you do flying geese. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thanks. Bye-bye.